2017 Porsche Macan Turbo. Even if it didn't hail from Stuttgart and claim the 911 sports car as next of kin, we would still call the unapologetically sporty Macan Turbo the Porsche of compact luxury crossovers. It's that over-the-top and that great to drive. Representing the highest rung on the Macan ladder, with the Macan, Macan S, and GTS, which are reviewed separately, on lower rungs. The Turbo boasts a larger displacement twin-turbocharged V6 engine with 400 horsepower and an eye-watering bass price. And that's just the beginning. Porsche also offers a 440 horsepower version for those who like to spend even more money but also find themselves in one big damn hurry. Both versions largely abdicate their responsibilities as crossovers, prioritizing speed and fun over practical concerns such as passenger space and cargo hauling. But if you want to drive something dressed in an SUV suit that handles like a sports sedan and can go almost 170 miles per hour, the Porsche of compact luxury crossovers is the one to have. What's new for 2017? Joining the 2017 lineup is a $10,445 performance package, which juices the Macan Turbo's twin-turbo V6 by 40 horsepower and 36 pounds-to-foot of torque for new totals of 440 ponies and 442 pounds-to-foot. The kit also lowers the suspension 0.4 inch, ups the turbo's top speed by 5 miles per hour to 169 miles per hour, and increases the size of the front brake rotors. Turbo extras including the Sport exhaust and Sport Chrono package are bundled with the package. Trims and options we'd choose. On the crazy hot scale, the Macan Turbo is off the charts, so much so that it defies rational thinking. No one seeking a roomy, practical luxury SUV that offers great value is looking at, or should look at, a Macan Turbo. To those for whom price matters less than all-out performance, the Macan Turbo, at a base price of $77,050, offers plenty to like, namely performance. If you were willing to live with the entry fee, the tight cabin, and the weak fuel economy, why not spend even more money, $10,445 to be exact, for the performance package and add 440 horsepower and a nearly 170 mile/hour top speed. The Macan Turbo with performance package, totaling $87,495, is our pick and come standard with an additional 40 horsepower and 36 pounds-to-foot of torque. Sport exhaust system. Lowered sport suspension. Navigation. 18-way power front seats.